This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit noragon.com to learn more.
Hey Tess, look, I've been reviewing some of these repair and service costs that we've had here recently. I got some questions. Okay. Why did a windshield cost $4,000 to replace? $4,000, and we did 4 of them. That's $16,000 for windshields.
Okay, well, we didn't just have to replace the windshield. I mean, all of those trucks had ADAS cameras built into the windshield. And then there were the calibration costs. We had to farm those out because we didn't have the equipment or the software in our shop.
Okay, well, how many of our trucks have ADAS on them?
It's a standard spec.
$4,000. We need to start looking into upgrading our shop equipment.
Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome to FE's Data Center, the series that aims to make truck data approachable. I'm Jason.
And I'm Tess. The implementation of ADAS technologies has changed the game of fleet operations, with potentially life-saving and collision-mitigating features like emergency braking and active lane keep. The automated systems have positively influenced both the drivers and the roads they drive on.
ADAS technology may be changing the way drivers operate their vehicles, but it's also changing the way your technicians go about serving the trucks that come in for a repair.
Granted, there isn't a ton of preventative maintenance per se, but you should take into consideration the utilization of certain system equipment and tools that ensure that the technology and components are updated and correctly calibrated for proper use.
That's right. Something seemingly as simple like a windshield replacement or a bumper fix may become slightly more involved considering the placement of ADAS components, like a camera in the windshield or a radar mounted to the bumper.
How else is the integration of ADAS technology impacting the repair process? Well, for that answer, let's turn to a pro at Noragon.
So ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, and their components are becoming almost standard across the new vehicle landscape. And their tight integration with the vehicle requires that these systems and components be operational to fully ensure the safety systems function properly. So those forward-looking cameras may require recalibration or replacement occasionally. And when they do, there are special procedures to ensure a successful replacement. So these components are not replace and forget kind of components. Technicians need to be aware of this, and they need to follow correct service procedures, typically published by an OEM to restore normal operation. This may involve a test drive on the highway, driving in a parking lot in circles, or a stationary calibration target placed in front of the vehicle. Each OEM may be different, so always reference their material to ensure proper service.
The integration of ADAS into your fleet is an investment, so in order to ensure proper operations, accurate and up-to-date software is essential. So is how you repair it.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.